Hey everyone, so this is second question of bi-weekly contest 95, which is find consecutive integers from a data stream. So for a stream of integers, implement a data structure that checks if the last key integer passed in the stream is equal to value. Okay, so if we are given a data stream int value comma int k, it initializes to object in an empty integer and two values integers value and k. And if so the consec function, what it does is it adds num to a stream of integer if last key integer are equal to value, so it returns true, otherwise it returns false. Okay, so it's also fairly straightforward question. So what we can do is so we can have a count of the current variable, and if it is, let's say current value is 4, so let's say I have, okay, yeah, so let's say I have something like count is starting from 4. For example, for this example it is 4, then the count should be incremented 1. Let's say this is count variable, this should be 1, then for the next 4 this should be 2, then for the next 4 it should be 3, and whenever it incurs a new value, so the current value is gone, and now the count is set to 0. So we can it returns true in all the first 3 cases, and it returns a false in the 4th case. So let us just start coding. So okay, so first we need a count variable which should be defined in the private, and we should have a value which stores, for example value is 4 here, which stores the value, and apart from that we should have a k global. So let us denote by kg, and when we call this constructor, so the count is initialized as 0. After that val should be equal to value, and finally k global equal to k. Now if the current num equal to value, it means that we should increment the count plus plus, else we should make the count as 0, and whenever the count is greater than equal to k global, so then we can return true, else we can return false. Okay, I think this should work. So if we do a dry run for this, so 4, the count currently is 1, so 1 is less than 3, it should return false. Similarly, now the count is, for the next 4 the count is 2 is less than 3, so it should again return false. And for the third case, when this 4 is there, then the count is 3 is greater than equal to 3, so it returns 3, and as soon as it gets a 3 here, so it means that the count should be 0 now, so it should return false. So let's just run this code. Now if I submit it, yeah, it works. Thank you guys for watching this video.